Nanabawa ka balen, welcome to Casa Estrelita. Tara, pasok po kayo. At ayun nga guys, pagpasok niyo po dito sa ating private resort, bubukod po sa inyo itong napakaganda nilang swimming pool area. I think the size is small to medium. Ang ganda ng pagkaka-design nila guys. And so inviting. And if you notice, yung mga accommodations po natin, dalawang prefab container vans. Para po silang ganun, no? Pasok po tayo sa isa. At mamaya dito naman, para makita ninyo, ano ba yung mga pwede yung tulugan dito. So this is their master's bedroom. Ito meron tayo ditong king size bed. Plus, dito meron tayong sofa bed. Notice guys, ito na-extend siya. So also in here, you have your entertainment. Pwede kang mag-video okay dito. Or, what's your favorite streaming channels? Okay, so let's go to the next room. Okay, so for this room, I think it's more of a for-group or parang dormitory type. So meron tayong dalawang bunk beds. This can accommodate comfortably mga 8 to 10. So this is how big it is. Lahat ng mga accommodation rooms natin are air conditioned plus glass wall. Okay, let's go outside. Okay, so welcome to the open area or yung open lawn area nila. Sabi ko kanina, don't worry kasi meron silang common area dito in which you can have your lunch or dinner basta pwedeng ma-serve yung food dito. So also in here, meron tayong mga outdoor umbrellas. The shower area is here. Yung ganadahan dito guys, eto, the open areas. This can be converted into a small event, mga outdoor activities ninyo. More information guys, check out the fan page we're gonna be including in this video. So see here.